Hey guys, I'm back today with another video, and this one is going to be brought to you by the company Hergivenhair. And today I want to show you guys a unit that is going to be easy to install and super convenient. This unit that I will be showing you guys is the Feel Your Godsend. It is a curly texture. It is 16 inches in width and 150% in density. This unit does have a lace closure, which is 4x4, and I have a cap size small. See how nice and tight those curls are straight out of the package, but I am gonna go ahead and wash my unit. I used the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and this is what the curls look like after. They are still pretty tight, which I am happy about, and they were easy for me to detangle and get through during the washing process. And look at the ends, they look really nice and juicy. I definitely want to mimic a wash and go look, so I'm just going to put half of the hair up just because the density on this is so thick, and then I'm going to be using my continuous water bottle just to kind of lightly mist the hair because there were some areas that started to get a little bit dry. And I'm going to be going in with my olive oil mousse. Gonna run my fingers through this hair first, and then I will go in with my detangling brush. Now, all the products that I am using in today's video can be found down below in the description area on my Amazon storefront. So one thing that I did notice is once I got to the bang area is that it seemed to be a little bit more on the drier side, and also I felt like the curls were not as tight as the back. But surprisingly, once I started to add a little bit more product, the curls did start to pop together. I was unsure if they were going to look the same, but we'll see once it all dries up. So once I was done with the styling, I went ahead and placed this outside on the back patio. I like to do that during the summertime because it really does get your units dried down really quick, especially if it is super hot outside. It's not going to take any time. But this is what the unit looks like, 100% dry. Yes, 100% dry. Look at those curls. It has a nice sheen to it because that olive oil mousse does give you a nice sheen, but it doesn't leave any flakes or residue. So I'm going to be doing a glueless install today using my silicone band. This is very comfortable and just easy to put on. You don't have to worry about any Velcro getting old or catching to your hair. I personally like it. I feel like it's super comfortable and it lays down really flat underneath your units. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust my strap and also adjust that elastic band and go ahead and place this unit on. Now, the good thing I like about this unit is that it does have this closure area. So if you wanted to move the bangs out the way, you definitely could. And it does come with the pre-plucked hairline, and you get those bleached knots. And my sides felt like they were kind of lifting up. So I'm going to go ahead and use my bobby pin so I don't have to worry about that kind of showing, and I want it to lay down really flat. And then I'm also going to go in with my powder into the parting space area just to kind of brighten it up a little bit and match more to my skin tone. Now, because this is a 4x4 closure, I still feel like it looks really nice and natural because of how open it is. You're not going to have to go in and do any extra plucking. Now, if you choose to leave your unit just looking like this and you don't want to fluff it up, that is totally on you. However, I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I am going to get to fluffing. This is one you are definitely going to have to play around with and fluff it up to your liking. I didn't want to go too big because I did not want to disturb the curls, and I did not want the bangs to come off looking super frizzy. So I'm just kind of playing around with it and getting the shape exactly where I need it to be. The good thing about this unit is it's pretty much already shaped to kind of frame your face. You just have to go in and kind of play with it a little bit more. I did notice some longer pieces on this unit, so I am going to trim those areas down. It took me a little minute to get it to exactly how I wanted it to look. Like I said, I didn't want to do too much fluffing because I didn't want to cause a lot of frizziness, but I also did not want to keep the curls just too intact. So this is what it is looking like. Look at that parting space, y'all. It looks like scalp. Yes, I love it. And then this is what the back of the unit is giving. But guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this unit. So once again, this unit is from the company Hergivenhair. This is the Fill Your Godsend unit. This is a 4x4 closure and the length on this is 16 inches and I am rocking a cap size small. This unit does come with your pre-plucked hairline and it also comes with your pre-bleached knots. Now this is a curly texture. It is a 3B to 3C. And the curls on this are really pretty. During the washing process, I used my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. I didn't feel like I had to go in and like do a lot of elbow work. With some of their units, you guys know they're very high maintenance and they're very thick and some of the curls are very tight. So you have to like really treat their hair like you would treat your own natural hair. With this one, I didn't feel like it was too high maintenance even during the washing process. And also during the styling process, I did use my mousse. And it was very easy for me to just style this unit. You guys know with some of the tighter curly units, sometimes when you wash them, the curl pattern does look different. But I feel like the curls still pretty much almost look the same. Look at the curl pattern. It's really pretty. And then of course, you throw in those natural highlights. It looks really good. One thing that I do like about their shorter style units is that it's pretty much already framed to your face. I didn't have to go in and do too much cutting to get the look that I wanted. I did end up cutting mostly down here because there were some longer pieces, and then I think I chopped a few little pieces up here. For the most part, it's already styled to be framed to your face. I did push the wig back just so that the bangs wouldn't be too long, but you can always go in and chop them down. I ended up pulling the wig back some just so that my bangs could sit a certain way. However, you can go in and chop them down if you would like. The only thing about that is because this is a closure unit, if you want to utilize a closure, you don't want the hair to come off too short, especially when you decide to rock the bang look again. So I just decided to scoop mine back a little bit. I could always just kind of shift it back just like that. But you see how much longer it looks once I shift it up. But then of course the bangs would be out of the way if I decided to show the closure area. The little hair is in the way right there. But yeah, if I decided to show the closure area, and then of course it's crooked because I just moved it out the way, but it's not going to be in the way too much. And then of course once I pull it back some, then I can always just pop it back into place. So you get some versatility with this unit. You can rock it two ways. It's 16 inches, but it's hitting me like 14 inches. I am 5'2", just in case you guys want to know exactly where it is going to hit on you. If you are a little bit taller, then yes, it's going to look a little bit shorter. Keep that in mind when you are ordering this unit in this length. I know the bang styles are not everybody's cup of tea, but the good thing is, like I said, you do get that lace to play around with. Let me know if you are feeling this one, and if you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.